I was really nervous, never worked in a machine shop environment, but really quickly everyone became like a second family to me. It's really cool. We face new challenges every day throughout the process, but putting all of our heads together and coming up with a solution and finding ways to be more efficient the next time.
Yeah, so I've actually built a good relationship with a lot of the coworkers. Actually, a few of the people in the MET group were in my wedding just recently. It's a real fun place to work. Definitely laid back, but when it's time to work, everyone kind of knows what they're supposed to do. No one's really holding your hand. They just kind of give you a task, and you're supposed to get it done.
Working for Chelsea is pretty decent. It's I've never had to look for a job. They've always, always had employee, always overtime all the time, always learning different stuff. And there's support from machine shop and maintenance. They'll help out and teach you different stuff along the way.
I think we all get along with each other really well. We've had company outings and things like that, and yeah, the morale's really good.
The management does treat us well, as well as your coworkers. It's a good team environment. If you need help lifting a bundle or backed up, people come together and help out.
I enjoy working with people, so it's been an awesome time for me. My 2.5 years, for a short period of time. I think everybody know me throughout the plant because I work a lot of hours, but then I like the benefits behind it. So it's been a good location for me.
Chelsea Building Products is a great place to work. We have a super quick and easy application process. You're just going to go to apply@chelsea.com and then apply through our website. We are currently accepting full-time and part-time employees.